Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix unable to join friends game in GTA 5 online. So the first thing that you can do is to ask your friends to create a new session because there might be a problem with his current one, and then you can try joining the new session that he has or she has created. But if it's still not going to work, the next method that you can do is to leave the GTA online and then going back to story mode and then rejoining GTA online once again. So to do this, you will just have to tap on the escape button and then click on online, and then you will need to find the leave GTA online option, then tap on it. So you will be able to leave the GTA Online. Now that you're already in the story mode, in order to go back to the GTA Online, so you will just have to click on the escape button again, like what you did, and then select the online option. So this one. Okay, and then find the play GTA Online. So just scroll down and then click on enter and then click on go in order to proceed. And now that you have successfully entered the GTA Online, you can now join with your friends directly. So you will just have to tap on the join option. So in order to do that, just tap on the escape and then click on the online. Now, as you can see under the jobs, you can see the join friends. Okay, so when you tap on it, you can directly play with your friends. But as of the moment, since my friends um, are not online, so I cannot press on it and I couldn't find their name. But if they're online and you have a lot of friends, so you can do that to join with them directly. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.